How to restore WhatsApp messages on Android. So hello everybody, you may follow up this method in order to do so. First of all, you can just head over to your WhatsApp, locate it up, long press on it, and go to the info section at the top. Or you may just head over and look out for this uninstall option from here, or head over the info at the top. And from here, you can just go ahead and install the particular application from your device. Once it is installed from your particular device, you need to head over and look it up Play Store. And then from here, go to the search in the bottom right. And here, just go ahead and search for WhatsApp. And then reinstall the WhatsApp onto your device. And once you reinstall it, when you open it up again, you will be prompted to restore your backup. So the thing is, you will be finding this restore option. You can click on restore option or either skip it. But if you want to restore your backup, you can tap on restore, confirm it, and it will start restoring all of your backups in WhatsApp. This is the method you need to follow up in order to do so. And the main thing is you need to be backed up for that. So this is the solution you can follow up in order to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.